want me to do this? I'm just gonna pull his.
Is it how you want to hug again? I'm all about that. All about that.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull his head down. About that.
What about my hug?
Another head.
Oh.
So this, I went to Africa and was working on giraffes in Africa. Completely different experience. They were 100% wild. You know, they were getting darted out of a helicopter and we were relocating them. Okay.
I get that it's for the good of the animals, but
It's hard. Yeah, it's really hard. Okay. I'm done messing with you.